Hi, have you ever come across one of those postural correctors? Are you considering buying one of them? Don't do that, because that's not gonna help you. Instead, it may worsen your symptom. If you want to correct your posture, you have to work for it. And if you are interested, let's find out more. Welcome to Hatem Physiotherapy. I am your host. My name is Hatem, and I am a physical therapist. The purpose of this channel is to help you identify the suitable exercise for your condition. So let's get started. Today, we got for you postural correction exercises. So first and foremost, let's talk about the main causes, as there are many causes, but the one I will mention today is muscular weakness. As muscular weakness leads to muscle imbalance, which leads at the end to the bad posture. So, if you are looking to treat this issue, you should simply strengthen your muscle to regain muscle balance and correct your posture, as simple as it is. Very important tips here. Weakness is general thing, so it may be showing in one or more area, but it is general weakness for the most part. So you need to strengthen your whole body. Here I have got 5 of the main exercises for you. All of them compound exercises targeting multi-muscle group. Here we go. Glute bridging. One of the best compound exercises to strengthen the core muscles, glutes, hamstring, and stabilize the hip. So very effective exercise to correct any type of bad hip posture and many other core and hips weakness. You can start with 10 repetition, 3 sets. Alternative bear dog. Another very effective compound exercise to stabilize the back muscles, shoulders and the neck, and helps to correct the bad posture of lower, mid and upper back, as well as the shoulders and the neck. You can do 10 repetition each hand for 3 sets. Elbow plank. One of the most effective exercises for core strength and stability. Help to strengthen the abdominal muscles, back, shoulders and hip muscles. So very much effective in all bad body posture. To perform this exercise, you should hold your body up on your elbow and toes for 10 seconds, 4 sets. Pike push-up. Another solid compound exercise to strengthen the shoulder muscles, upper back and neck muscles. So very effective for correcting bad posture of the shoulder, neck and upper back. You can do 10 repetition, 3 sets. Back lunge with turn. Last but not least, we got a solid compound exercise to strengthen the knee muscles, hips, back, core and shoulder muscles. So very good for correcting pretty much all bad body posture. You should do 10 repetition each side for 3 sets. Here you have it. Hope you enjoyed this one. Keep working hard to fix your posture. If you like this content, consider subscribing and feel free to leave me any comment or feedback below. Thanks for your time and see you later.